Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ram 1500 Rebel vs Jeep Gladiator, which is better. Follow along as we break down ride comfort, towing capacity, off-road performance, cargo versatility, and ownership costs. I'll highlight strengths and trade-offs for daily driving, weekend adventures, and work tasks. Use these clear comparisons to decide which truck fits your priorities and budget, and pause the video to note features you value most. We'll contrast engine choices, torque delivery, and towing tech to show how each truck behaves on the road and trail. I'll explain payload versus towing trade-offs and how suspension tuning affects hauling. Expect clear examples like towing a camper or hauling a load of lumber to illustrate capability. By the end, you'll understand which powertrain and towing setup matches your priorities and typical use cases. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more truck comparisons. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make hauling lunches easy and mess-free, perfect for camping or work sites. They seal tightly, stack neatly in the bed or console, and simplify meal planning on long trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Explore cabin comfort, storage solutions, and tech differences that shape daily ownership and road trips. I'll cover seating comfort, materials, infotainment ease of use, and driver assist differences that matter most. We'll also compare bed length, cargo tie-downs, and clever storage compartments for tools or gear. These practical details help you decide which truck better suits commuting, adventure, or work life without focusing only on specs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.